Adult Solutions. Add-on Desires.
Welcome to Adult Solution. Today we are going to learn about the building with bricks. Okay, so this is the first lesson in the 4th class. Okay, ma'am. So what are the buildings? What are the buildings are made with the bricks? So first of all, before going to this class, we'll see about the what are the bricks and how what are the types of you have there and what are the patterns where you use in the buildings. Okay, actually the brick will be one type only, but using of the bricks is the other thing. Okay, ma? So first we'll see what is the use, what are the patterns are there for the bricks. Okay, so first we'll see the shape of the brick. This is a brick. This is of a brick. Okay, have you anyone see the bricks anywhere? Yes. So if you go any trip, you can find on the train or any outskirts. If you see the greenery in the outside of your house, or else in your near to house only, if you see any new house is constructing, there you can find the bricks. The bricks are in the shape of a box, like all sides is covered, and the bricks color will be red. Mostly sometimes they'll give some color for that, but the bricks generally color is red color. Okay, have you seen any type of bricks in your near to your house? Isn't? Okay, so how the shape of bricks? What is the shape of the brick? Tell me. So the brick shape may be in the rectangle shape, or it was a cuboid. We can say it is a cuboid, like all side is closed figure. It is called what? Closed figure. It not at all open anywhere. Okay, so when you broke that brick half, it becomes what? 2 cubes. Understand, ma? So the brick is a closed figure. Understand? Which is of all sides are closed. Now, why we use bricks to construct the houses? And what are the patterns where we use in the buildings? Okay, this all we are going to be discussed in this class. Okay, so before that, first we will go to one school, that is what? Jagriti School. So this is the olden day school. It was not here in the West Bengal. You can find it. Brick pattern for Jagriti School. So in the Jagriti School, what was the pattern they was used to construct that building? Understand? So what are the patterns? Means why it was specially this school only mentioned, means how you have to imagine that how neatly and how colorful, how designful they arrange the bricks in a pattern ways. To when you see that bricks, when you see that pattern, it was attract to you. Okay, so what is the pattern there was apply in that school building? Okay, so first to see here, this is the true story of Jagriti School. It was there in the Jagriti School is there at where? At West Bengal. The school in Mushirabad at West Bengal. When it is building was being made, when it was making, means when the building was constructing, there was a plan to make brick patterns. Bricks pattern they have a plan. It means it's the school should not be looks like old other schools. It should be looks like different. So what that mason means what? Who are the masons? Who construct the houses, who works in the construction work, they are called mason. So they thought one idea. So why can't you make in different ways, means in different patterns, if we arrange how it looks? So they thought like that, and there was a plan to make a brick patterns on the floor and walls, on floor and walls. Okay, floor means everyone know floor and walls, you know now. So they think that we want to apply some different patterns on floors as well as on walls by using of what? By using bricks. Jamal, Kaulu and Payar were the masons for the brick work. So for the construction, each work will divide by some peoples who grind the cement and who someone pass the bricks, some will take it out the sand, some will bring the stones, like that. Every work was divided in the construction. Same like the brick work is given for these three persons, Jamil, Kalu and Paira. These are the three persons. They was taken the work of bricks. Okay. They wanted to get new ideas for the school building. They want to construct the school building with new ideas. So they took their other friends to see the old tomb of Mushrid Quli Khan. So this is not that Jagriti School. This is the old tomb. Means in your cities also you have some olden forts will be there, na? So same like that. So these three members and along with their friends, they went to the Mushrid Quli Khan tomb. Tomb means it was an old fort, we can say that. In Maharashtra, in West Bengal, you can find this. So this is that Mushrid Quli Khan tomb. Okay, so this is that construction they was sought. So by seeing of this construction, they are getting one idea. So why can't we construct like in this pattern? Means before constructing of that building, before constructing of the school building, before that only the construction designing pattern was constructed in those days only. Okay. So this building has a big floor with about 2000 beautiful bricks patterns. So what is that building? That tomb you say, na? In that tomb they observed very carefully. So the building has a big floor. The big floor they have, it was constructed with 2000 beautiful bricks. 2000 beautiful bricks patterns. These were made by masons long back, not now. Long back they are made like that. About 300 years ago. Okay. Look how the bricks are arranged in this 5 floor patterns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see how it was arranged in the different patterns. Nowadays we are not using this bricks type patterns. We are using what? We are showing with colors, paintings and with interior designs, with glass items and everything. But those days this type facilities is not there. So what they will use? By using of bricks only, they make their house construction with beautiful. But now we are using of different types of color paints and the interior design with glass items by decorating of plants and lightings and like this. But those days they are not used like this. They used only the bricks one. Okay. So see in this 5 diagrams, if you see the 5 diagrams, you can observe that how beautiful they arrange the bricks in patterns. Okay. So how the pattern it was see in the first, second, third and fourth and fifth. So if you see this all 5, it is not same at anywhere. Different patterns for the different floors. 5 floors it was there. For each floor they used different type of patterns by using of bricks only. They did not use any other items. They use only bricks. By taking off that bricks, they make a beautiful patterns. Yes. So see how it looking like. The floor is also very big. He clearly mentioned the floor is very big. So they construct very beautiful and to looks very attractive for the tourist. Which floor pattern do you like the most? In this, which one you like most one? I think I like the third one. I like third one. Third one is looking very nicely. Yes. Have you seen such patterns anywhere? Yes. Yes. In villages we can see that. In villages and in gardens also. In gardening where you see that garden, outer the borders they will construct. Suppose here is the tree is there. So around that they will use some patterns like this. In garden also we can see that patterns, and in garden also we can see that. In gardening area also we can see that type of patterns, and in villages, very small villages will be there, and there also you can see different types of house with different types of patterns. Okay, the monsoon came back exited. Jamil said, ha, in those days they had made so many interesting brick patterns. So these one came from the tomb, and they came back from their work, and in the 3%, Jamila is saying that how in those days the masons were bricked interesting brick patterns. We had forgot this. Let us make some nice designs on the floor of this school. Each mason made a different brick pattern. The school is proud to have such a beautiful building. So children play and sing on it and also make new patterns themselves. So see here, these are the school's children of Jagriti school, and they constructed their each mason. How many masons are there? 3 members are there. So as they like pattern they were constructed. So 1, 2, 3. 3 type constructed there was. So circle type is one person made it, and this grills wise one was made it, and cross type is made by others. So like this 3 different types of pattern there was made by the different masons, and the school was also feel very proud, and they seeing that how building beautiful was, how the school building is looking very beautiful. So and that in that children's also helped for them. So there also make some different types of patterns. Okay, here we can see that children's also enjoying by seeing their patterns and singing a song also. Now, which pattern is made in a circle? In this, which is made by circle? J. In which pattern can you show mirror halves? Draw a line. Mirror halves means half one. In which one we can say? This one. E. Draw a line. In how many? Now you draw some new floor patterns like this. If you know any patterns like this, so the masons was made like this, and some students also made it. So if you know, if you in your mind is getting any new type of patterns, you can draw it, but on paper, not with bricks. Okay, if you want to make that with bricks patterns, where do you draw? You should have that much of place. You have it? No, na? So draw in a paper with different type of patterns. Okay, it should looks very neat, beautiful. Okay, ma? Next point, how to draw a brick. How to draw the brick. Is it easy or tough? Let's see it. Okay, ma? These are 2 photos of the same brick. These are the 2 photos. So in this photo, you can see only the one side of the brick. In this 1, 2, 3 side of bricks we can see that. In one photo we can see only one face of the brick. In another we can see 3 faces. Circle the photo showing 3 faces. This is the 3 faces circle. How many faces in all does a brick have? The brick have how many faces? For example, 1, 2, 3 here, and that side 1, 2 and down also 3. Total 6 faces will be there. Is any face a square? Yes. Here you can find a square shape. The side one you can find the square type. Yes. Draw the smallest face of the brick. Why? Because this is this side. If you see the brick, this side is the smallest one. Why? Because and this up and down it will be rectangle shape, and this side is the very smallest one. That's why I draw it like this. Okay. Next, which of these are the faces of brick? Make a tick mark. So which are the faces of brick? So I can say this is the first. Yes. and this is also brick, and this is also brick, and all are the different types. Means the brick faces is telling that this is the side one, okay, and this is the side of left and right, and this is also, and this is the upside, we can say that. So remaining are all not looking like a brick shape. Means the brick shape generally you'll get in the rectangle square or rectangle shape or in a square shape. But here what you have here, this is a trapezium shape, and this is triangle shape, pentagon shape. So no, so we should get in the shape of rectangle or square. Understand? No? The brick should get rectangle or square shape only. Understand? Which of this is a drawing of a brick? Make a mark. Which of this is the brick? This is the brick one. Okay. So generally one, these are the brick. So in this all are different, only this one is the brick one. Okay. Make a drawing of this box to show three faces. Three faces we have to show. And one more side. And if you make it color this image, you can find the faces of it. Suppose in this shape, what you are finding, the square shape is there. Means here if I find this is the one face, and this is another face, and this is another. So three faces we can find from this images. Okay. Can you make a drawing of brick which shows four faces? No, we can't also. So if you see here, only we can see three faces, 1, 2, 3. Okay, or else only one face. Can you see four faces? No, we can't see the four faces. No, we can't see it. Okay. Wall that will not fall. In these two images, the two students are there, Zainab and Munaya. These are the two students. They construct different patterns of wall. So whose wall will fall down is the question. So whose wall is going to be fall down? If we kick, the wall should be fall. So not by kicking also, by keeping one by one patterns, it will fall down. But why it will fall down means it not taking of the balance supporting there. Okay, so first we will see that one day Munaya and Zainab are playing with bricks. Have you anyone played with bricks with your friend? Yes? And making their walls, each make a different wall. These are the two walls. This wall is made by Zainab and this wall is made by Munaya. Zainab says her wall will not fall easily. Yeah, it will fall, but not fall easily. Masons do not put brick or one as top, as Munaya has done. What do you think? Which wall will be strong? So Zainab wall is like this, and Munaya wall is like this. So whose wall will be stronger here? Zainab or Munaya? So if you construct it like this, so whose wall will fall down? If you say very easily, means Mason do not put brick one on top. On top he did not keep. And here like the same patterns. Here the pattern was different. So what is the difference there you can find, and which wall going to be fall very easily. And what you are thinking, Zainab or Munaya? Okay, you just think it and answer for that. Different wall patterns. Oh wow, what a beautiful patterns, and that pattern images are this. Okay, so let us go to the concept. here are photos of three kinds of bricks walls. Can you see the difference in the way the bricks are placed? Yes. So first brick, and again one more brick was inside. First one brick was kept and the other brick was inside. In this one brick he kept, and the square face type he kept like this, and another is two bricks, and upside to one brick there was broken and kept like that. So now match the photo of each wall with the correct drawing below. So first match is what is a rectangle and the another is rectangle. So this one will comes to this. Second one, the rectangle face and square face. Rectangle and square face. This one or this? Yes, this is the. Last one is what? Rectangle, and another reason one brick they broke it up and they kept like this. So this one will match to this. Okay, understand ma? So seeing the difference of the patterns, then we can observe what is the pattern was different in the other images. Okay, looking through a brick jali, the mason who built Jagriti school had also made different jali patterns. This is the jali, means this is the corridors of that school. Jalis means, see here in these images, these are the place where the holes are arranged, different types of patterns, designs also we can say that. So in that school they are arranged like this. So in this designing school, means in that corridors there applies some different types of patterns. Okay, in that Jagriti school, that holes, see these are the holes where you can find. These are the types of patterns. Okay, these are called, we call jalis. We call it as brick jalis. Let's see some more. How many different jalis patterns can you see in these photos? Same types should not be repeated. So this one and this one is same. One. This and this are different. Here one line, here two line, here different. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and here 5. Total 5 patterns I can see. How many patterns? 5. This is a one pattern, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 pattern jalis are there. This is a drawing of another beautiful. This is a drawing of another beautiful jali. Here also jali is there. So they constructed that image, it was all bricks only, but here he removed some image, some bricks here. Some bricks he was removed. So now by seeing of this, can you make the different type, can you make the next pattern for this brick? Okay, so what the question was asked, that we see in this.
Add-on solutions. Add-on